Welcome to Soft Tech Knowledge. Today we are going to learn how to make money online by watching a 30-second videos. First you need to install the Paid Work Make Money app through Google Play Store. Find the link in description. Log in with your Google account. This is the Paid Work dashboard looks like. Now click on the Earn button. Choose the method of earning. Here I am going to choose Watch Videos Earning. Click in the Earn button. Now you are redirected to Fiverr. Click on the Start Watching Videos. You should watch this video up to 30 seconds without any interruption. Now I completed 30 seconds. Now we are going to check what we are earned by 30 seconds. Just click on the dashboard. Now you can see 47 paisa in my account. I saw 3 videos in Fiverr by clicking on Start Watching Videos. Now check the balance what I have in dashboard. Now you can see I earn 1 rupee 11 paisa by watching 3 videos. This way you can earn more money by watching more videos. When you earn 600 rupees, you can withdraw this money through Paytm. When you reach 600 rupees, you can add your Paytm account details and you will get paid in 24 hours. If you are interested to earn money online, you can try this app. It is genuine and you can withdraw money through your Paytm account. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.